Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download app for your 70 MIA Dash Cam A400. So in order to do this, open up your settings on your camera. Here you can navigate to the right and find download app. So click on it, the QR code will show up and you can scan it with your phone camera. So here find the QR scanner and scan the code. Now we'll visit this website. Choose the language. Or actually, let's just download it for Android. It should open our Google Play Store and we can download it. Here you can sign in to your account or create another account, and that way you should be able to add this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.